Moving ahead with exercise 3.1. According to the divisibility rules, we have to solve the given questions here. I'll tell you how. First one is check the divisibility by 3 and 9. I hope all have seen the divisibility rule assignment which I have shared just before this. In that I have given you, I have explained the rule for 3 and 9 both. So according to that rule, we have to solve the given sum. I'll do 1A. You see how I am doing. This is your question. We have to check it with 9 and 3. First we will check with 3, divisibility of 3. What was the rule for 3? We have to add the given digits in the given number, right? So we will add 7 plus 2 plus 3. 7 plus 2, 9, then 10, 11, 12. Is this 12 coming in the table of 3? Yes, 12 is coming in the table of 3. This means that 723 is divisible by 3. Got it? Then we will write here yes. Okay. Then we will check for divisibility by 9. Again we will add the given digits in the number, that is 7 plus 2 plus 3. While adding we are getting 12 only. Is this 12 coming in the table of 9? No, 12 is not coming in the table of 9. So the given number is not divisible by 9. Clear? Then B you can do on your own. C also do it on your own. I'll solve D for you. Pay attention carefully. 201,364. We are given with the number 2,01,364. For showing the divisibility by 3 means the given number is divisible by 3 or not. What we have to do? Add the given digits in the number. Just keep in mind this thing. Whatever digits are given, we have to add all those digits. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. And 12 plus 4, 16. Right? So is this 16 coming in the table of 3? When you will count the table of 3, you will not get 16 in it. Therefore, the given number is not divisible by 3. Clear? Then again with 9, same, we have to add the given numbers. So if after adding we are getting here 16 only, na? That is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. And 12 plus 4, 16. So is this 9 coming in the table of 6? 16 is coming in the table of 9. Again in 9, 16 also doesn't come. So it also is no. Means 2,01,364 is not divisible by 3 and 9 both. Clear? So question number 1. A and D I have solved. B and C you solve on your own. After this we have to check the divisibility by 5 and 10. You all remember the rule of 5 and 10, na? For 5 in ones place it should be 5 or 0, and for 10 in ones place it should be only 0, right? So here no need to solve anything. I'll write here 2A. Question is 2685. We have to say the given number is divisible by 5 or not. So we'll write here 5, then we'll write here 10. So what if, no need to solve, na? Simply we will write yes or no. So with 5, is it divisible? Yes. What is the reason for this? Because in its ones place it is given here 5. Then with 10, is it divisible? No, because in ones place it is given here 5. For 10 it should be only 0. Got it? Then B we will do, that is 999,900, like this, right? So with 5 and 10. With 5 what will be the answer? Yes or no? Yes, right? Because it is 0, and 10 also it will be yes, because it is 0 in ones place. Just you remember the divisibility rules. With rules it will be very easy for us to solve. What about C? I'm not solving, I'll just explain it to you. You do it on your own. C and D both. Here in the place of ones, what is it is given? 2 is given, right? So is this 2 coming in the table of is this for 5? It should be here 0 or 5. So answer will be no only. And for 10 it should be 0. Again it will be no. So question number 1 and 2 I have explained here. In next clip we'll go with 3 and 4.